Hello everyone, welcome to the Online Seller Blueprint. Thank you so much for buying my course. I really appreciate it. I really hope this course meets your expectations and exceeds them. The course is constantly being updated, and I really hope that you make a success yourself in importing and selling online with this course. So, who am I? Well, my name is Danny Guerin. Hello. I live in London, and I've been selling and marketing products on and offline for over 10 years. Yep, that's a picture of me in all my glory, and that's not my house. That's the House of Commons in London. It's pretty close to where I live. Not too close because it's pretty expensive around those parts, but I live North London, so it's a bit cheaper. Okay, here's a few of the, just a couple of stock photos on the things that we will be using, on things you may well come across once you start importing products. As you can see, a lot of these are household names. There's Facebook in there, eBay. eBay will be one you'll be using a lot. Flickr, maybe you'll be using it for stock photos. Skype for communication. PayPal, definitely. There's a lot in there. Also, I got the Facebook likes up there. That's Facebook's pretty important in terms of marketing. For various different products, you will need Facebook. For other ones, you won't. It's a very useful tool though, and we will not forget big old Amazon right there. That is super important. And once you get selling and your products are selling online, which they will, Amazon will just basically take your business into turbo. And the way Amazon is at the moment, and the way it's growing at the rate it's growing, and the things that the services that they're offering people, it's a really exciting time to be in e-commerce, guys. And you're getting in really at the ground floor here. There's, I mean, it's like 10% of people shop online at the moment. It's a really low figure. And yeah, it's hard to believe, but it is really low. Low percentages on people who shop online, and getting in now, getting products in, establishing relationships with factories and importers, and getting yourself set up now is the time to do this. And Amazon is growing at a rate that you want to be a part of, and you can just take yourself to the next level. Okay, these are a few of the projects I'm involved in at the moment. The top one is basically Source Ship Sell. That is the brand that's kind of going with this course. I'm going to be making and releasing other courses under the Source Ship Sell brand. It's all very new, Source Ship Sell. I'm just still building it, but yep, this course is under it. There is now a Facebook group which you'll be a member of. If you click to join the Facebook group, you'll be a member of it, which I really hope you do. Underneath is Moonshine Jewelry. That is my first ever kind of brand that I set up. It's a women's jewelry store. It's currently under maintenance website at the moment, but moonshinejewelry.com. The website is up, and there's a whole hell of a load of jewelry on there, but it's not selling at the moment. We are kind of doing work on it, but it will be up shortly, and I'll be able to offer you discounts as well if you like. Underneath at the bottom here is eBay, Amazon, and more e-commerce, just labels there to say that I'm constantly involved in selling on eBay, Amazon, and I have various other e-commerce projects going as well. So I'm always busy, super busy, and I'm sure you guys will keep me busy as well. I really hope you do. This course is not finished. Now, before you go, what do you mean this course isn't finished? This course will never be finished. It's constantly evolving. This whole environment we're in and we're working in with products and e-commerce, importing products, it's constantly evolving. There's new methods that come out, new software that comes out. There's new marketplaces that are evolving now. There's new ways to market your products. All this stuff is constantly being added to this course. You will have, it's not just a course that you take and you walk away from. This will be a resource that you can come back to time and time again, and it'll always have new stuff on it. And every time it does, I'll be letting you guys know through the Facebook group and in the student areas as well, which are great on Udemy. Okay, please could you leave a review? Obviously not now, because you've not seen much of the course at all, but in the early stages, I will probably nag you a bit more throughout the course about this. If you could please leave a review, it really helps me out. Udemy looks very favorably on reviews, and it kind of lets me know where I am with the course as well. So if you have all positive things to say, please leave a review. If you have complaints or problems, I'd really appreciate it if you would send me a message and let me know what's going on, and I will help you, and we'll get through it together. But if you're really happy with the course, a review would be amazing, and I really appreciate it. Thank you for that when you do it. Okay, so that's it. It's just basically an introduction to me and a bit about the course. I'll see you in the next lecture. Let's get started.